Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KG, we got a hot one here today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. I'm giving away the HBO special today. Do you know what's the HBO special, my friend? Help a brother out. Today I have a 2005 Mercedes Benz C320. The owner called me yesterday that anytime he was trying to turn the wheel, but it's not turning. So the vehicle was towed down here anyway. I'm on Lauren here in Brooklyn, Queens, whichever one. Shout out to Queens, Brooklyn. I'm gonna bring you guys to see exactly what is happening and what I've done so far. And you know my slogan, let's go. We're getting it right now. So this is what happened in the vehicle eventually. This guy, this is not where the problem started, right? Though this one is broken, right? You can see that. But here is where the problem started. See this guy right here? Anytime this guy become weak, this lower controller and the ball joints, anytime it's weak, once it snap out, this axle right here, there is nothing else for him to rest upon. The axle is gonna go. Even when you look at the axle, you see inside is really bad. It was bad anyway. So anytime this happen, this one is gonna go with it. You can see the nut is still there. I haven't taken that one out, and you can see the axle is still inside. So this is the nut of the axle. I'll show you guys. Okay, this is the nut of the axle. It's a 27. And there's another bolt right here. It's coming right here. It's a 21. It's a bolt and nut, but for you to undo that bolt, you have to take off the plastic that is covering the engine. But here is gonna be your little biggest challenge, right? That's the reason why, the essence of me videoing this. When you come down here, right, you see the bolt right here on this side is kind of difficult to come out because of the steering, see? Because of this steering right there. So you have to maneuver your way to be able to get that bolt out. So what I did was I turned the wheel to the other side, you know, then I was able to like hit that bolt with a pry bar, then I was able to get it out. So now we're gonna bring this guy out completely. Yank this guy out. I'll see right there. So I'm gonna bring you guys and show you the new one that he bought. I'll see right there. So let's come here. Bring you guys the one that he bought. Sorry about a shaking video. You know, when you're walking by yourself, you all know how that goes. Okay, that is the one that I bought. Apparently it seems to be the same. So that's the part number right there. R as in rubber, K as in king, 622042. Then this is the axle right there. And bring it out. I'll match it up with the other one. That's the part number right there. The NCV48002. So we're gonna bring the broken one and match it up. So they look the same. So I'm just gonna put this bolt in there. I'll go ahead and thread it. Make sure. So make sure that the one that you're buying, make sure you have a hole there to thread this bolt. If not, you know it's the wrong one. So that's it. So I'm gonna go back in there now and try to yank out this piece. There's still that piece. This guy is still in there. We have to get that one out. So I'm holding the camera with my one hand. So let me go down there and pull this guy out. Pull the new one, then I'm gonna lose this guy. I think that one is a 17. You know, kg. I'll be right back. So here comes the remaining piece that's broken inside there. Yeah, right there. Broken. So we're gonna come in there and put the new one in. The new one right there. Sorry about it. Shaking, baking video. We need somebody to sponsor KG now. Anybody out there want to sponsor KG? Please let me know. KG need a sponsor. Okay, let me use my two hands to put that in there. Alright, the guy's in. Sometimes you have to use your hand. Just make sure that it laps very well. Sitting right there. And you can see right this sitting very well. So we'll get through that. So the next thing, we have to put this on lower controller. So like I said before, your biggest challenge is gonna be this bolt here, not the one on this side. This one is easy to come out. That one there you might have to fight a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll be back. All right, see the lower control arm is there now. So what I'm doing, right, like I said before, this side you might have here's the biggest problem, you know. But what I'm doing, I pass it through the other side of the boat. You can see, so long as it's not touching this guy when the wheel is being turned. Once it's not touching that, I have to wash that, then we're gonna be fine. But if it's touching it, then I can't do it like that. It has to come through this side. But in the meantime, everything looks good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all these things back. I'll bring you guys along. I'll bring you guys back to see if that boat touches that steering. But if it doesn't, we are right on the money. So the axle nut came with a new. The axle came with a new bolt. But you see the one that was there before, right? Maybe I might want to use that one. See that one? I like this one better because you have to have a specific tools for that. But this one was just 27. So I want to use this 27. It's up to you. You might want to use a new one. But I don't want to stress any other person that want to do this job in the next future. So the boat that I was talking to you about, see right there. So we should be fine by the time I put the steering on. So we should be fine. But I'm still gonna watch it though. All right. So when you look at everything, seems to be fine. Like I was saying before, you see the boat there. Everything looks good. But here is what I did though. You know, if you can see the clearance, just to be on a safe side, I just like kind of trim off a little bit from the boat, just a little hinge there, just to make sure nothing touches the steering, you know, when it's turning it. So everything looks good. Everything looks beautiful. So we're just gonna go ahead now and put the panel underneath there and wrap up this thing. KG, job is done. Yeah, KG Auto, I hope you learned something today. It was a hot one today, but we survived it. Questions, comments? Let's continue to help each other out. That's the only way we can grow. Sorry about the noise, you know, I walk on the street, that's something I can't control. People, car flying by and all that. You know, let's connect to each other. That's the only way we continue to grow. Takes one to know one, like I said. Takes two to tango. Please subscribe. Continue to help me to climb this mountain that I'm climbing. I love you all. Brooklyn, shout out, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Long Island, KG. I am gone.